Hey there, folks. Grab a seat because we're about to dive into the fantastic world of KoalaWriter. And welcome back. I'm Scott with SpringHillFox.com. And let's go. All right, picture this. It's like having a super smart Koala buddy who's a whiz at creating top-notch content. KoalaWriter's next-level content creation tool that blends the AI smarts with top-notch engineering to create stellar content. You might be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, for all you CEO and content creators out there, KoalaWriter is your new secret weapon. It's about delivering premium, super accurate content that makes those search engines sit up and notice. And let's break down these core features, shall we? This bad boy comes packed with AI-driven SEO, like having a crystal ball for deciphering those sneaky search engine results page, SERPs. Not only that, but KoalaWriter can churn out comprehensive Amazon affiliate like a pro. It's like having a team of AI wordsmith at your beck and call. Wait, there's more. KoalaWriter doesn't stop there. It's also a champion at making publishing a breeze. We're talking about slick, instant WordPress publishing that'll have you feeling like a content wizard. Plus, it plays nice with many integration options like Zapier and custom setups, flexibility. Here's where it gets cool. KoalaWriter is a dynamic tool alongside the content crafting prowess. It's got a sidekick called KoalaChat that dishes out CEO-focused insights in a casual chat interface. It's like having your AI advisor to help you dominate the content game. Here's where it gets cool. KoalaWriter is a dynamic duo alongside content crafting prowess. It's got a sidekick called KoalaChat. It dishes out CEO-focused insights in a casual chat-like interface. It's like having your AI advisor to help you dominate the content game. Now, when we talk precision, I mean it. KoalaWriter takes AI writing to a whole new level. You can tailor the voices of your content, weave in real-time data, and structure your articles with surgical precision. Play around and make your content shine like a diamond in the rough. But hold on to your hi-hats, because we're still going. KoalaWriter is all about enhancing your workflow. Think seamlessly integrations with Google Sheets to keep those projects flowing like a machine. And for you tech-savvy folks out there, KoalaWriter even offers its API for several customization magics. And here's the kicker. You can dip your toes into KoalaWriter pond with just risk-free trial period. There's no commitments, just pure exploration. And hey, if you're not feeling the magic within 15 days, they've got you back with a refund. It's like having a safety net for your content adventures. Now, in conclusion, KoalaWriter just isn't a content creation tool. It's a content creation powerhouse. So unleash the Koala magic and take your content game to new heights. And don't forget to share the like and hit the bell. This is Scott. Until next time, peace out.